In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace an image in your Canva presentation template. First, open your browser and head over to canva.com. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your saved work. Once you're in, open your saved Canva presentation that's based on a template. You'll see your slides listed as thumbnails on the left. Scroll through those thumbnails and click the page that contains the image you want to change, so it appears on the main canvas. To swap that image, you'll start by removing the one that's already there. Click directly on the image on your slide to select it. When it's selected, look toward the top of the screen for the small toolbar. You'll notice a trash or delete icon there. Click that icon. If Canva asks what you want to remove, choose Delete Image. This deletes the picture itself but keeps the frame or placeholder intact, which is exactly what you want. Keeping the frame makes replacing the image quick and perfectly aligned with the design. Now it's time to bring in the new photo. On the left-hand panel, you can choose Elements or Uploads. If you're using your own photo, go to Uploads, where you can drag in a file from your computer or pick from images you've already uploaded. If you prefer to use stock content, choose Elements and search for the type of image you need. Either way, once you've found your photo, click and drag it from the sidebar onto your slide. As you drag the image over the empty frame, hover for a moment until you see the frame highlight. That highlight tells you the photo will snap into place. Release your mouse and Canva will automatically place the image into the frame, sized and cropped to fit. That's it. The replacement is done. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you drop the photo directly onto the frame so it snaps in, rather than onto a blank area of the slide, which would place it as a loose image. Also, pick a high-resolution image for the best results, especially if your presentation will be shown on a large screen. If the image doesn't look perfectly centered at first, that's normal. Because it's in a frame, you can fine-tune it afterward if needed. And that's all you need to replace an image in your Canva presentation template. Open your project, delete the existing image using the top delete icon, then drag a new photo from Elements or Uploads into the frame until it snaps into place.